Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am building some bedside tables. This was a part of my niece's bedroom makeover, and I decided to build some bedside tables to save on money and make sure that I get the quality that I needed and wanted for her room. So let's go ahead and get started. So I began with cutting down my wood. Once my wood is cut down, I'm going to start drilling pocket holes. Pocket hole is how I attach all of my wood together. All I do is add some wood glue and then use the pocket hole screws and screw them together. I personally feel like the pocket hole system is easier for beginners. If you're beginning with woodworking or just building your own furniture, use the pocket hole system to attach your wood together and it will be so smooth. I'll leave a link for it in my description box. Okay, now it's time to assemble my pieces, and it is pretty sunny out here, so I am squinting. Sorry. So I'm gonna assemble them. I'm gonna use, I need 4 sets of them. Well, 2 sets. Yeah, 2 sets of them. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna use wood glue, my pocket hole screws, and my drill. I'm now moving into building my drawers. Building drawers are not really hard. All you do is cut down your 4 pieces of wood and attach them together. I'm using the pocket hole system, and once you attach them together, you just add on a piece of thinner plywood on the bottom. I usually like to staple it. I know some people do where they'll create a groove within the wood and slide in the board, but I'm not that fancy, and this method has been working for me, so I just like to go along with that. Putting on my drawer fronts. I'm just using my niece's cards. There's some kitty cards to secure them and make sure my spacing is good. But other than that, we are good to go.
have some tea in it?
It's either in the tray, the dish tray, or in the cabinet.
And here are the finished results of the bedside tables. I think they look amazing and they definitely look great in her room. Give it a huge thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!